The story of the dinosaurs begins and ends with a catastrophic mass extinction. Dinosaurs were land animals that dominated life on Earth for 165 million years. These so-called terrible lizards came in myriad shapes and sizes, but their fossilized bones reveal they shared a single common ancestor. A quarter of a billion years ago, our planet's climate suddenly heated up, wiping out 95% of all species on Earth. The stage was set for a new era of life. This was the Mesozoic, the age of the dinosaurs, made up of three periods: the Triassic, the Jurassic, and the Cretaceous, each with its own unique dinosaur species. In the early Triassic, there were no dinosaurs. The land belonged to a diverse group of carnivores or meat-eaters called Archosaurs. These would, in time, evolve into crocodiles, the winged pterosaurs, and the dinosaurs. By the late Triassic, the first true dinosaurs had begun to appear. One of the earliest species was Plateosaurus. It stood upright, carrying its own weight more efficiently than its sprawling ancestors. This development enabled dinosaurs to grow much larger. It also walked on two legs, an important adaptation that freed the front legs for other tasks. At the end of the Triassic, massive volcanic activity wiped out half of all land animals with enough lava to cover the surface of the moon. Yet the adaptable dinosaurs survived and came to dominate life on Earth. During the Jurassic period, they evolved into two distinct groups, defined by the shape of their pelvis, and became much larger. The bird-hipped dinosaurs were all herbivores or plant-eaters, like the beaked ceratopsians and the armored ankylosaurs and stegosaurs. The lizard-hipped dinosaurs diverged into two main groups: meat-eating theropods like the tyrannosaurs, and their plant-eating cousins, the sauropods. The sauropods included some of the largest ever land animals, like Diplodocus, up to 40 meters long and weighing 100 tons. At the end of the Jurassic, the climate changed again, becoming more humid. The large sauropods gave way to the smaller, more agile ornithopods, or bird-footed dinosaurs. In the Cretaceous, a huge range of new herbivores evolved. Evidence suggests these dinosaurs developed social behaviors, like living in herds or caring for their young. The dinosaurs were extremely successful animals and may have dominated life for millions more years, but for a single devastating event. The age of the dinosaurs came to an end when a 10-kilometer wide ball of rock, an asteroid, moving 20 times faster than a bullet, smashed into the face of the Earth. 2/3 of all life was extinguished. Most survivors were small, like the ancestors of the mammals, but even then, the dinosaurs weren't entirely snuffed out and are still with us today. It is the ferocious theropods that adapted and thrived, becoming the birds that fill our skies.